Next tool is Ninja. Similar, click and drag, provide a base, then provide height, and there is another parameter for corner smoothness. We access that parameter from the modify section like this. These are corner fillets, and by changing the side, you can modify it like this. So you can use this extended primitive to create different type of columns. Next tool is ring wave. First create a outer radius, then provide a inside radius. And the third parameter is height, but by using pointer, it not reflect sometime. Just click and then right click. Now go to modify section, and it's a height parameter. You can increase the height of this tool like this, and select and move little bit upside like this. Okay, so now change the parameters. First parameter is radius, is related to inside and outside radius, and then radius segments, little bit zoom. So these are radial segments. Next parameter is ring width, and you can increase or decrease as your requirement. By using this standard primitive, you can show a very old plant trunk. These are hollow in the center, and these are other similar parameters like height segment and other. This tool has other parameter to changing these rings shape. So I move little bit down and find the inner edge breakup. You can change the number of major circles like this. Okay. So you can also modify the different shape like this by changing the circles. Next tool is prism. First create a one side, then provide the pointer sharpness like this, and then provide height. So it's a triangle type shape, and go to modify section and change the length 1, length 2, and length 3. Okay, and the change height. Next tool is torus knot. It's just for presentation purpose, and many artists use this for texturing purpose for presenting the materials. Next tool is chamfer cap. So first define a base, then provide height, and sometimes Fillet is not accepting on the viewport, so just click and then right click. Go to modify section. It's called radius, it's called height, similar slender parameters. Okay, but this tool has fillets for corners, up or downside, like oil tank. We also have the similar geometry spindle, and we can create by using this also like this. It's almost same. Okay, so some geometry is created by other geometries, so you can choose which geometry you want to use. And the other tool like oil tank, it's called capsule. So just click and drag and provide height. Okay, so it's almost like oil tank, and these are parameters. You can change height, radius, sides, okay, or height segments. So all tool has similar parameters. Some tools has 4 5 parameters, some has only 2 or 3 parameters. So you can change by using these parameters. And the other 3 tools you can use for fabrication purpose like L extended, C extended, and hose. First create L extended, click and drag, provide a length, then provide height, and then provide thickness. So sometime, okay, now it's created. So by using this geometry, you can create corner walls or some furniture corners or angles. So all these objects has same geometry to length and a height. Next is C extended, click and drag, then provide height and then thickness up and down, sometimes left and right, sometimes up and down will work like this. And it's a forge. It's like a spring object like this. Okay? And it's a height parameter, and these are other parameters related to circles like this. These look like springs. Okay? You can modify the start or end points like this. Okay? In this class, we learned extended primitive. I hope you like this class. From the next class, we cover the shapes.